What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today's a Red Day recap. Alright guys, so let's jump right on into it. Today we had shippers making big moves in pre-market. Had everyone excited for market open, but market open was kind of crappy. Here we have GLBS. Well, you can't see because let me change it over here to this chart. GLBS was the big mover today, up over 100% in pre-market, and it opened up and basically just flushed straight down. And then it started to kind of like, do a double bottom type of chart setup here, where the bottom of the day, the low of the day was $6.83. And I remember TROV on Friday had a very similar move. Both are low float stocks. So I thought, we might get a similar move. We might get, set that bottom in place, pop over VWAP and then squeeze, $9 at least to $9. So I took a starter entry, just 100 shares at $7.15. And I put a hard stop in place. And as you can see, I got stopped out at $6.78. Low of the day was $6.83. So as soon as we made that new low, I got stopped out. And, lost whatever, 40 something bucks there because it was just 100 shares. My plan was take that 100 shares down here, as close to $7 as possible, and then add through VWAP another 100 shares, doubling up, giving me, 760 average or something like that, and then selling into that push to $9. That's a real good, nice risk reward there. We're risking $40 for the chance at making $150, maybe $200 if things get real good. That's a good risk reward. Not bad at all. I'm not upset I took that trade. I'm not upset it's a red trade. I do have the trade here for you. Let me bring that up real quick. I do have that trade here for you. Let me bring that up real quick. All right. Oh, that's not it. All right, so here you go. I am in right there, 100 shares, GLBS. Oh, it's playing out already. It's playing. So you will see we're holding this 90 MA, $7 support area. Real nice area. It looks good, for that double bottom type play where you would see, a big candle here to like 760, 780, and then bam, right through VWAP with an increase in volume. We've seen this happen time and time again. We saw it last week on Friday with TROV. I put my hard stop out and believe it hits in this candle. Yeah, here it comes. It's a heartbreak. It really is, because I thought we had real good potential on this one here. But there we go. Just closed out right there. Rewind it real quick if you missed it. Here we are. 100 shares and it closed out. And that's it. And, the stock continues to move down even lower, 650s. And right now we are currently at, oh my God, look at that, right back at $7. Can't make this stuff up. Oh God. Well, I mean, it is what it is, guys. It might fail again. It might make the move now. I'm pretty sure I'm done trading on the day. I'm not, small caps aren't looking that great. Let me show you the scanner right now. GLBS is the top, leading small cap here, leading stock here in this scan here, and it's not doing the best action. Look, it's right back down again to 680s, 690s. Just not feeling it today. It's not feeling good. Stay safe, if you're trading. Make sure you respect your stops. Well, guys, just when I thought I was done, I was definitely not done, and just came back in and made a very nice trade on YTRA. This stock was just dropped news a few minutes ago. I actually was able to get into it about 5 minutes after it dropped news. It made this big push here and then pulled back in. On this pullback in, I got long at 492 and I started to scale out 531 and 549 was my best exit. Bring me back to a green day. Well, I'm super ecstatic right now. See here in my orders, buy 492 and started to sell just 2 minutes later, 531 and 549, my best exit. I wanted to exit up here in the 550s and I got just that. The volume on the way up was lighter, so I was not too happy. You can see it's pulling back in there. I do have that trade here recorded, so let's bring that one up. Let's see, is it this one? Yes, it is. We're just in 200 shares. I'm already red on the day, so I want to keep things real nice and tight just in case. So we're in 200 shares, 495 cost average because of commissions. And as you can see, we were in here on this pullback holding VWAP. I had a hard stop out and I was just looking to see if I can, either chop this red day up a little bit or go green on the day. We're going to go ahead and fast forward this just a tad here. Okay, so there we go. You can see here we're holding above $5 and we start to get that move there. I immediately put out an order to sell 100 shares. Once we do that action here and we pull back in, I see this volume doesn't increase. I automatically think to myself, we might not have what it takes to really push. So I want to put out just to lighten up the load and get some profit in. So I put out an order to sell at 530, 100 shares. And we do get that fill here shortly. I do like this higher low, obviously, on this next candle. These are 3-minute candles. So we do get this higher low. I expect a quick pop at least to 530 so I can get out of that, 100 shares. I do get that right there. Boom. I only have 100 shares left. So now I start to get ready. See a higher day. I marked it right there in front of 450. I'm sorry, 550. So put out another limit order. Where was it that I put it out? 540 something, 540. Let me see what I type here. I really don't remember. 540. I put it 540 just in case there's slippage, and I get closed out there, right there, 549, and that's it. That's the trade. We push up a little bit more, and as you can see now, we pulled all the way back in down to the low fives. So that was a great trade for me. Back green on the day. Don't ever give up on a good trade idea. This thing just came out with the news. I saw that pullback, saw the opportunity right there on VWAP. Super safe entry and great exits. In 492, out 531 and 549. High a day is 556. So I missed top tick by 7 cents. I'm cool with that. And I mean, it might set itself up again, but noticing how I went from red to green, I am completely done on the day now. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you're alerted every single time I upload a video. There's going to be a new video coming out this week. I believe either tomorrow or Wednesday. Let me know how you did. And remember to give the video a like. Talk to you later.